Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Windows 10 Store application is not installing or downloading apps properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty quick tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in Windows PowerShell or search for Windows PowerShell. Best match should come back with Windows PowerShell right above Desktop App. Right click on it, left click on Run as Administrator. When you receive a user account control window, left click on Yes. Now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video I want you guys to copy, and then go up to the top white bar for the Windows PowerShell window, right click on it, left click on Edit, and then paste. Then you want to hit Enter. So let this run for a bit. It will take some time. If you see any red text in the meanwhile, it's not a big deal, just be patient. So once it goes a little bit further here, I will jump back in with the narration and we will go from there. Okay, so once it's done, it should have a little blinking cursor here. Then just close out of here. Would recommend restarting your computer and then try and see if the store is working properly. If it's still not, I would suggest going in my description. I will have a link for a Microsoft troubleshooting utility. You guys are more than welcome to try. And hopefully at that point your problem has been resolved. So thanks for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.